Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Pedicure Footrest is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for anyone who enjoys a professional quality pedicure at home or for salon professionals seeking to enhance their clients' comfort and their own working ergonomics. This seemingly simple accessory can transform your foot care routine, elevating it from a chore to a truly relaxing and effective self-care ritual, ensuring every toenail is perfectly accessible and your posture remains comfortable throughout the entire process, making it an indispensable addition to your beauty arsenal. Number 5. 36-in-1 Professional Pedicure Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit. It's designed to give you professional results right at home. This kit includes a variety of high-quality tools for all your foot care needs. Achieve salon-worthy results with ease. Easily remove rough and dead skin with our specialized foot rasp. It's gentle yet effective for smooth, soft feet. Whether you're pampering yourself at home or providing services in a salon, this kit is your perfect companion. It offers versatility for any setting. Transform your feet with regular use of this essential pedicure set. Enjoy healthier, more beautiful feet every day. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for a salon-quality pedicure at home. If you're looking for a complete solution to tackle dead skin and achieve smooth feet, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want to save money on salon visits while still getting professional results. What people say. The footrest is adjustable and sturdy, making it comfortable for both the technician and the client. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, which is great for storage and portability. The padded foot cushion provides excellent support and prevents fatigue during long pedicure sessions. Number 4. Mount it, under desk footrest. Discover a new level of comfort for your workspace. This under-desk footrest is designed to support your legs and improve posture throughout the day. Easily customize your experience with its adjustable height, ranging from 4.25 to 6.75 inches. Find your perfect angle with the 30 degrees tilt feature for optimal leg support. Effortlessly adjust the height without even reaching down. The convenient foot pedal allows for quick and simple modifications to suit your needs. Stay comfortable and stable with its non-slip surface. The textured design also provides a gentle massage for your feet, promoting circulation. By promoting better posture and reducing strain, it helps you stay focused and productive. Enhance your work environment with this essential ergonomic accessory. Its compact design fits neatly under your desk, keeping your space tidy and organized. Enjoy the benefits of ergonomic support without sacrificing valuable room. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with its unique foot pedal height adjustment and a generous 30 degrees tilt range. If you spend long hours at your desk and suffer from foot fatigue, this is designed to provide relief and promote active foot movement. Its built-in massage rollers offer an extra layer of relaxation. What people say. The angle and height are adjustable. It forces me to sit in a better position while taking the strain off my legs so I'm not sitting with legs crossed all day. I love the bumps and rocking motion which are very soothing when I'm barefoot or just in socks. It allows me to sit at my non-ergonomic desk at the right height without my feet dangling. I actually like that it rocks. I can move my ankles and get a bit of movement, which is good for sitting all day working. Works well as a footrest, and has variable angles as mentioned. The spherical surface can take a bit to get used to, but it seems to help with sore spots on feet alongside overall grip. Platform swivels a good amount, and silently too. Number 3. Makartt Nail Stand Hand Rest. Elevate your nail game with this professional manicure station. It provides a comfortable and stable platform for all your nail art needs. Find the perfect angle for every service. Its multi-angle design ensures optimal comfort and precision for both manicures and pedicures. Keep your essentials within reach. The built-in trays offer convenient storage for nail polish and tools, keeping your workspace tidy. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, this is the perfect addition to your salon or home setup. It also doubles as a comfortable foot station, providing support and stability for pedicure services. Experience the quality and convenience that Makartt brings to your nail care routine. It's designed for durability and ease of use. What we like. This versatile station offers multi-angle adjustments and convenient polish trays, making it a dream for nail technicians. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a salon professional who values organization and flexibility during manicures and pedicures, this product will streamline your process. It's perfect for those who like to keep their supplies within easy reach. What people say. The nail station comes in 3 separate pieces to assemble: the main hand footrest and 2 arms that easily click to the main hand foot stand, which took less than 20 seconds to attach. Additionally, included are the nail polish remover pump, and 2 fitted cloths to cover the hand foot stand. The hand foot stand has the ability to swivel, both vertically, up and down, and horizontally from side to side, which offers me the ease of polishing my nails at any angle. The arm with the nail polish cup has little plastic inserts within it to keep the polish bottle stable, and prevent the bottle from twirling in a circle when I am trying to undo the cap. The arm will also swing around the base to the exact spot where it's comfortable to reach. Additionally, the arm has the ability to tilt the bottle at an angle, as the polish level recedes lower, and I just click the arm to adjust in the necessary position. Number 2. Adjustable Pedicure Manicure Footrest. Experience ultimate comfort with our premium footrest. Crafted with high-quality materials and a sturdy steel bracket, it's designed for years of reliable use and exceptional comfort. Customize your experience with adjustable height settings. This versatile footrest adapts to your specific needs, whether for professional salon use or convenient at-home nail care. Its simple and classic design appeals to everyone. Perfect for commercial salons and spas, it's also ideal for your DIY home manicure and nail care routines. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to move around. The soft PVC leather surface is also a breeze to clean, ensuring it stays hygienic. Setting it up is a snap with the included parts. Plus, the no-slip rubber covers protect your floors from scratches and keep it securely in place. What we like. Enjoy superior comfort with its plush, high-resilience sponge cushion and easy-to-clean PVC leather. If you're seeking a stable and comfortable footrest for salon use or home DIY pedicures, this offers a premium experience. Its durable construction and simple design make it a reliable choice for years of use. What people say. The footrest is sturdy and adjustable, making it comfortable for different heights. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, which is great for storage and portability. The padded cushion provides good support and prevents foot fatigue during long pedicure sessions. Number 1. Mount It, Ergonomic Under Desk Footrest. Introducing the Mount It, Ergonomic Under Desk Footrest. Designed to enhance your comfort during long hours at your desk, it promotes a healthier seated posture. Easily adjust the height to one of 3 levels using the convenient foot pedal. Find your perfect ergonomic position without ever leaving your chair. Customize your comfort with a 30-degree tilt range. This feature allows you to find the most comfortable angle for your feet throughout the day. Experience gentle foot movement with built-in massaging rollers. They encourage active foot motion, keeping you comfortable during extended sitting periods. The textured surface keeps your feet securely in place, while the non-slip grips underneath ensure it stays put on any floor type. Enjoy ample space for both feet on the large platform. Its low-profile design allows for easy storage under most desks. Rest assured with US-based customer support and a lifetime warranty. This product is built for dependable, long-term reliability. What we like. This underdesk footrest features built-in massage rollers and convenient foot pedal height control for active comfort. If you're looking for a way to improve circulation and reduce discomfort during long workdays, this is an excellent option. Its ergonomic design and lifetime warranty provide peace of mind. What people say. The footrest is adjustable and sturdy, making it comfortable for both the client and the technician. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, which is great for portability and storage. The wide base provides excellent stability, preventing any wobbling during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.